everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds Creative Outlier Air. So, you can enter to prank mode manually after a factory reset, and if it's your literally first connection. So if you connect it with the phone and then remove it from the phone, you can't enter to prank mode manually. Only if you perform a factory reset. Now, how to enter prank mode manually? You need to open the charging case and then remove your earbuds from the charging case. Now, to enter prank mode, you can press and hold at your right or left earbuds, but I recommend it to press and hold only on your left earbud, not use the right one, because when you enter to prank mode on your left earbud, it asks you to pair the right earbud, and you can easily pair it. And if you enter to prank mode on your right earbud, it do not ask you about pair the left earbud. So let's check it. I'm just press and hold on it. And now it's something like 3 seconds and it starts to blinking red and blue. And we can see it as device list. Now if we connect the left one, it asks to add the right earbud. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!